So, little update on the Civic, on the good old shuttle. The undercoating is completely done and dry, and it turned out really, really well. I'm pretty happy with it. It's not too bad. I mean, there's like some spots that we missed, but then again, you know, not too concerned with it. Doesn't look too bad. It came out somewhat textured, but not like, you know, like Hercules or Raptor line or anything like that. But I'm satisfied with it. You know, I can't complain. I think it's okay. So, and then we ended up taking the rear lift gate off. We got it to shut and lock and close properly a couple of times, but because this car, as you can see, was kind of in a fender bender, it got hit pretty decently hard. Not terribly hard, but enough to, you know, mess up the rear trunk latch right there. And that spot right here prevents it from closing properly, and the metal, you know, does bow in quite a bit when you go to shut it. But we can fix all that. Not a huge deal. Overall, it's not too terrible. I think this was like the worst spot in there. Again, easy fix. If anybody does watch these videos and they do happen to have pretty much like the lower cowling part that, you know, is this like lower section that they wouldn't mind shipping me, I would love to get one so I could drill the spot welds out, replace it with something new, and go that route. But if you don't, you know, then no harm, no foul. I'll be looking around on some groups and for that. But I would like to find one if possible. So if someone happens to have one, that would be great. It would save me a lot of time and effort. And yeah, I would definitely appreciate that. So for now, we're going to finally paint the bay and change the color on it, and that's going to be awesome. So this will be a different color in the next video. So, but again, you know, I don't really feel like painting it, so let us change the color in 3, 2, 1. Wow, well, that was a quick change. So here's the color of the bay. Now, there are some spots on this bay that I'm not really happy with, but they will do. I like it. I'm happy with it. I can't complain. So that is the official color. Now, it's still a little hard to see because, you know, it is dark, but in somewhat of the light, can't really tell. But I think it turned out phenomenal. The goals for today are, I'm going to get this upper cowl cleaned and taken apart and done. We did finally get the hatch off. I did end up touching up some of the firewall or the inside, and I'm going to start prepping that here soon to get coated. And I'm not sure if I want to remove all of the sound deadening out of this car quite yet, but I might just try to clean all of this up really nicely and then go from there and kind of get an idea of what I would like to do with it. I just haven't made the definitive decision quite yet. The other part of this ongoing project is the rear end. Now, this car was in a minor accident. But that's okay because this is all fixable. Now, I know in a previous video I was trying to put some feelers out there to find like a rear, you know, bottom section so I could drill out the spot welds, remove it, and repair it. But unfortunately, those types of panels on wagons are not only very expensive, they're really hard to find, and the people that have them won't ship them. And given my schedule and everything that's going on with the Army, I just don't have time to drive long distances and get them. So we will try to make do with what we have, and I will try to make it work. So I will be doing the rear end or the hatch section in an entire episode where I'm essentially fixing, welding, restoring, and trying to do my best to get this back to OEM. Now, I would like today to get these two separated and cleaned. So that's going to be kind of what's on the chopping block for today. I will be test fitting some axles and seeing what fits and what doesn't fit. I have a set of D-series axles that came factory out of this wagon, and I'm going to see if they fit in the all-wheel drive transmission. Given that it is a D-series, there has been a lot of information online that says to use ZC axles or 90 to 93 Integra axles, but that's with an A8 transmission, which I don't have. So given that there is an intermediate shaft on the back of this, as you can see there, the guy that had it before me made one work. So I'm going to see what's up with all that. So I want to get these two separated, get a bunch of stuff off of it, and tape it all up and get it cleaned. So that is on the agenda for today. I will try to film some progress, but I am by myself today. Yeah, so I'm going to get to it, and let's go from there. is the completed inside. And I think it turned out really well. Now there's an entire theme to this car, so I'm not trying to get it like super perfect. That is the completed inside. Now mind you, again, this isn't supposed to be like some SEMA show build. Yes, I would like it to be really, really nice, and it will be. But again, this is a theme project, and the theme that I'm going with, you guys will eventually see. But for now, just trust the process. I've got a whole vision, and this is the whole part of the content. This is the whole part of the build series, is watching this wagon go step by step from what it was to what it's going to be. And I'm kind of doing some things out of order due to, you know, finances and part availability. A lot of the parts I have here, some don't. I have to order them and things of that nature. So, you know, I'm kind of doing what I can when I can. And, yeah, so, again, thank you. And appreciate you guys watching and commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And stay tuned for more. Thanks. So, little update. We decided to pressure wash everything with the oven cleaner. And I have to say, everything looked brand new. That oven cleaner literally was sizzling on this. And let me tell you, some of the nuts and bolts came out looking fresh. And I do mean very fresh. And this is probably the cleanest spot in my driveway right here, as you can see. But yeah, everything came out looking pretty clean and really nice. So I'm very happy about that. We're going to do a couple things, put them back together, and we're going to put them possibly in the car.